Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Aventador side view. First, let's establish the car's overall proportions. Begin by sketching a long, low-profile rectangle to represent the main body of the car. This will be the foundation for everything else. Next, add a smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin, ensuring it sits towards the rear. Finally, lightly draw 2 circles for the wheels, making sure they are aligned correctly within the body's base. These initial shapes are crucial for a balanced drawing. Now, let's refine the body shape and add some key details. Connect your basic shapes with smooth, flowing lines, capturing the Aventador's aerodynamic contours. Define the sharp, aggressive angles of the front and rear bumpers, giving the car its distinctive stance. Don't forget to include the iconic side air intake, a sharply cut void that slices through the surface, and the precise door line. These elements truly bring the supercar to life. Next, we'll focus on the wheels, windows, and other important features. Carefully draw the wheel arches and add intricate details to the rims, giving them depth. Outline the slim windows and the sharply angled windshield, which are characteristic of this low-slung supercar. Finally, include the angular headlights, taillights, and the crisp polygonal form of the side mirrors. These smaller details significantly enhance the realism of your drawing. It's time for the finishing touches to make your Lamborghini Aventador truly pop. Carefully erase all your initial guidelines to achieve a clean, polished look. Then, add shading and highlights to create depth and volume, mimicking the glossy finish of a real supercar. Darken the intakes and wheel wells, letting the upper planes remain luminous. Before you go, remember to check the description below. You'll find a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other exclusive deals just for you. It's a great resource to explore after you've finished your masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.